It's 2 a.m. I just took a 3-hour shower and I've never felt better. For everyone who always comments on my hair, I got this for you. I've never ever tried these. I do have to be quiet. My parents are asleep. I am literally scared right now of this. First, let's brush my hair. Do you put it inside? You roll it. Did I do it right? What am I missing? Okay. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. You scared me again, but I'm wasting my breath. I don't relate to you. Last one. How do I sleep with this? I'll see you tomorrow morning, I promise.